Hi there folks, it's Dex here again. I hope you guys enjoyed the other cocktails that Owen and Peter made for you. What I'm going to be showing you now is a cocktail called the Negroni. It's a beautiful spirit-forward cocktail, which means it's got way more spirit to it than any dilution really. It's also a bartender's favorite, I suppose, because it is quite spirit-forward, and it's got this beautiful bittersweet balance to it. So the sweetness that you get from in the Negroni is from the sweet vermouth. This is a Rosso vermouth, which means it's a red sweet vermouth. And what it is a vermouth actually, it's a fortified wine. And what that means is wine is in the process of fermentation to become a wine, but before they actually complete that fermentation, they add this neutral grape spirit to it to actually just stop that whole fermentation process, and then it'll go through another maturation, which means it's just an infusion with more herbs and spices, and then you end up with this beautiful fortified wine, and that's the sweet component to this. The bitter component to this is a Italian bitter aperitif, and you get quite a few on the market right now, and that is literally just a spirit forward citrus peel aperitif basically, and that you combine with our lovely Gordon's gin obviously. So what I'm going to be showing you today is how to make the Negroni. Obviously it's equal parts on the gin, vermouth and the bitter, but because we've got 50 mils here for you, we're just going to add and make 2. From there we're going to add 2 shots also of our gin. So we've got everything into our shaker now. We're not going to shake it up. We're literally going to just stir our cocktail in the shaker. So let's add some ice. And then we grab our spoon. And when you're stirring, try and keep the back of the spoon on the inside of your glass and let the spoon rotate between your fingers. And that way you can give a nice stir. And the stir is literally for dilution, obviously, on your ice that you've got in there, to chill it, and yeah, to just stretch it that little bit further and give a little bit of a better balance to the drink as well. So you can stir that for about between 15 and 20 seconds, really, just to get a lovely dilution and chill. You can give that, or that's what we do behind the bar. Give it a little taste just to test it, and now we still need to strain this, so we still need to use this part of our strainer, of our shaker. Fill up our glass with some ice. And then literally the garnish for this is, because you got this orange in your box and you've been using the peel for like quite a few other things, we are going to finish off using that last little bit. And remember guys, you can obviously reuse this. You can juice this orange, and a nice way of utilizing this is by taking your orange juice, adding a little bit of sugar syrup into your shaker and some gin, shaking that up, and you've got a lovely orange martini there, and that's a little bonus recipe there for you guys. So what you need to do with this orange zest or this orange peel is literally just express the outside of the peel over the glass and place your garnish inside, and you've got a lovely Negroni, guys. One of the best cocktails on behind the bar right now to order, so enjoy at home.
Hey guys, thanks for the support and thanks for getting involved with our What's the Fuss cocktail boxes. We hope you enjoyed this one, and please let us know what you thought of it, what you thought of the videos, what you thought of the cocktails, what was your favorite drink.
Come on. Look. All it's about is that we hope you guys had a good time, and thank you for inviting us to your homes. All it is have a good journey. Look for the next boxes we're going to be bringing out. A lot more journeys, a lot more adventures. Let's have a good time. Thank you for joining us through this. And hey, follow our what? What
Follow our
should they
Insta. Follow our Insta. Sip exclusive _ZA.
These are social media
Check out our website, sipexclusive.com. Like, we hope to see you soon.
Yeah, you see. Ooh.
Cheers, guys. Thank you.
Have fun, guys. Remember, that's the whole thing. What is the fuss? Just have a good time.
What is the fuss?
What's that fuss
Have
about?
the fun. Have all the fun at home. Just do it.
Happy day.
Have a good time.